and welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be making dough for pizza and some chicken bread loaf, and then at the end we're also going to make the toppings and the sauce. So first of all, I will make the dough. I'm adding in 4 cups of flour and 3 teaspoons of yeast. Now add in 3 tablespoons sugar, and I also added in 1 teaspoon salt. This will be 3. 8 tablespoon oil. Add 2 of this 1/4 cup. So 2 times. Like that. Now mix. Now keep adding in water until the dough is the consistency you want. That I have rested the pizza dough and now it's the consistency we want. Now we are going to make the pizza sauce. Now in a frying pan I've taken oil. Now I'm grating in garlic. I'm using 4 cloves, decent piece of garlic. I meant ginger, and by the way we are shredding it too. 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped capsicums, half of a 1/4 cup vinegar. Now mix it. A little bit of butter, 1/4 cup soy sauce, half of a 1/4 cup chili sauce, 2 1/4 cup of ketchup, tomato ketchup, just a little bit of basil, a little bit of thyme, half tablespoon red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Now our pizza sauce is almost done. Now for some time you're going to let the water evaporate. Now I turned off the heat. Now I'm going to add in some black pepper. And now mix. Now for the bread loaf, I'm taking a big piece of dough into a shape like this and now even it out with a knife. Now I've rolled it. Now I'm shifting it to the pan in which I will bake it. Now let's start making the fish. Now we're making cuts like this, leaving a gap in the middle. Now we have cut all the sides like this and also a tail at the end. I'm taking some sauce and I will add it to the fish. Take the sauce to the tail. Now seasoned it. Now I'm adding it in. Now take your shredded cheddar cheese. Now add the cheese. Now fold the cut pieces inside like crisscross. Like this you will take it and fold it so it makes this design like that. Till the end you will do the same. Now our fish is done. Now do the egg wash and now even it out, and then you're ready to bake. I found an eye for the fish. Now the fish is ready to go in the oven. Bye. 250 until it gets golden brown. And at the loaf, it looks so good. Now I'm going to take it out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next time. Allah Hafiz.